We danced in fields where sunlight bled. Our laughter spun like gold, now thread by thread unravels into echoes, faint and frail. Where joy once bloomed, now shadows pale. Oh, the sun won't rise again in skies where stars forget to mend. We cradle embers, cold and scarred, love's symphony, now played in shards. The hands that carved our dreams from clay now trace the cracks of yesterday. A choir of voices hushed by time, their ballads drowned in silent rhyme. An end inscribed in falling rain, each drop a name, a ghost, a chain. Yet in the void a spark survives, a fragile dawn where hope still thrives. Oh, the sun won't rise again, yet hearts beat on through where and when. In every fracture, light may creep to wake the world from endless sleep. Let raindrops script our share